Welcome back to Kiddo Kids. So today is a wonderful day. It's Sunday. It's the first day of the week. It's very exciting day because today was my one nice day for me because my exams started. So I hope your exams also started. And today, let's move on to our topic of today's. Okay, so now before we move our topic, let's go to a caller. Hello.
Hello,
What's your name?
Akmal.
Akmal. Hi, Akmal.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine.
So, which grade are you studying in?
7th.
Okay, so Akmal, how was your day?
It was fine.
It was fine. Okay. So, Akmal, what do you do when you have like Fridays and all? What do you do that time?
I go out, but recently I have my exams, so I don't
Oh.
go that. I don't go out.
Okay, so you sit and study.
Yeah, but not always.
Okay.
Um,
Only some
But-
days.
yeah, not some days when the exams are there, when I'm supposed to be sitting and studying.
Okay, so Akmal, let's play a game now.
Okay,
So, what game do you want to play?
all games are there.
Now we have the games are funny questions, GK question, riddles, huh?
Can you see from the beginning?
Funny questions, GK questions, riddles, connection, make a sentence, and tongue twisters.
Just what funny questions?
Funny question. So your funny question is, what did the spider do with the computer?
What does a spider do with the computer?
What did the spider made with the computer?
Web
Okay, so one more word is there for that.
page.
No, not web page.
Website.
Yeah, website. Correct. You heard this question anywhere?
No, I didn't hear.
Okay, what?
What? Pardon?
Did you hear this question anywhere?
No, I didn't.
Okay, so by the way, it was a nice game. I hope you like this game.
Yeah. Where is Elvin?
Huh?
Where is Elvin?
Elvin. Oh, Elvin has exam today, so he couldn't come.
Okay.
So thanks for calling. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so that was Akmal who called us. It was very nice calling him. So now let's move on to our topic. So our topic today is about soil. Do you know soil is very precious? See, now you can see a picture of a soil in the TV. See, now I'm going to tell you how soil is formed. Soil is formed like with rocks. So now let's move on to our caller. Hello.
Hello,
What's your name?
Minha.
Minha. Hi, Minha.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine.
So, Minha, so can you sing a small rhyme for me, Minha?
Okay.
Okay.
The snow glows bright on the mountain tonight. Not a footprint can be seen. A kingdom of our creation, and it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is sounding like a swallowing storm inside. Couldn't keep, have known. I cried. The red diamonds and red fancy. People could say, you always have to be something, don't you? So let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go. Let it go. Don't even slam at the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let it go and wait on. The soul never bothers me anyway.
Okay, that was a very nice song, Minha. I liked it so much. So, Minha, why don't we go to a game now?
Okay.
So, which game do you want to play?
Which games are there left?
Now we have funny question is there, and then we have GK, riddles, make a sentence, tongue twisters, and nothing else.
Do you have Atlas?
Atlas, no.
Tongue twister?
Tongue twisters, yes.
Okay.
So do you want a little hard one or a little easy one?
Easy one.
Easy one.
Yes.
Okay, the easy one is she sees sheep.
She sees sheep.
Yeah, say that 4 times.
She sees sheep.
Huh?
She sees sheep. She sees sheep. She sees sheep.
Wow, you said it everything correctly. That was a wonderful game you played with me. So I hope you like the game. So thanks for calling, Minha. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so that was Minha who called us. So now let's move on back to our topic. So I was talking rocks. The soil is made of rocks. I'll tell you how they are made. Look, before when there was no life on earth, there was only hard rocks. So this wind, rain and all washed the rocks out, and the sun's heat and all melted the rocks, and after a million years it became to tiny pieces. Then that tiny pieces again broke into even smaller pieces. Then that smaller pieces rubbed themselves with other smaller pieces, and then they turned out to be small particles called soil. So that is how soil was formed. Now let's move on to another caller. Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Johan.
Hi Johan.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
So Johan, did your exams finish?
No, it's going to start on 11th.
Oh, it's starting on 11th.
Yeah.
So Johan, do you want to play a game now?
Okay.
Which game?
What all do you have?
And now I have funny question, connection game, riddles, GK, tongue twisters and make a sentence.
I'll do riddles.
Riddles. So your first riddle is Mary's mother had 5 children. One was
What?
Mary's mother had 5 children. One was Tina, the other one is Meena, Leena and Gina. What was the 5th one's name?
Anna?
No.
I don't know the answer.
Okay, so the answer is Mary.
Oh.
It's Mary's mother, right?
Yeah.
So that was so nice calling you. So did you like the game?
Yeah.
Okay, so thanks for calling. I hope you like. Are you calling me? So bye, Johan.
Bye.
Okay, so that was Johan who called us. Now let's move on back to our topic. So as I was saying, do you know the three types of soil? Okay, I'll tell you. The 3 types of soil is, one is the sandy soil. Sandy soil is a soil which is like little bit sandy, and it has so much space in them that like air can get inside. Now we can see some pictures of some of the soils. So here are the soils. The first one is clay soil, then loam, then sand and gravel. Okay, so now sand soil. So in sand soil it's like very sandy. So now let's go to a caller. Hello.
Hello?
What's your name?
Kale.
Huh?
Kale.
Kale. Okay, hi Kale.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
Hey, so Kale, what did you do on your holidays, like in Friday and all? What do you do?
My cousins came home.
Huh?
We went out.
Okay.
Then we studied.
Studied.
Yeah.
Okay, so did anything nice thing happen to you in school?
No.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's move on to a game.
Yeah.
So which game do you want to play?
Which all games are there?
We have funny questions, GK, then riddles, make a sentence, tongue twisters and connection.
Can I play riddles?
Huh?
Riddles.
Riddles.
Yeah.
Okay, your riddle is, it belongs to you, okay, but others use it more than you.
Okay.
So what is the answer?
Your name?
Yeah, correct. That's the correct answer, your name. So, did you hear this question anywhere?
No?
Oh, I thought you heard it because fastly you said the answer. So that was great calling me. I liked how you called me. So bye.
But
Okay, so now let's move on back to our topic. So, sandy soil. Sandy soil is very sandy, like I said, and it has so much space between them that air can get in, and it cannot hold water. So, and also we can make buildings and all, and huts and all. Some people make them with sandy soil. And also you only find sandy soil mostly only if you find in seashores and deserts. So now let's move to our second soil. So our second type of soil is clay soil. Clay soil is a soil which is like very sticky, like a clay. Okay, and potters and all make pots and toys with clay soil. Now let's move on to a caller. Hello. Hello?
hello?
What's your name?
My name is Rakib Ansari.
Huh?
Rakib Ansari.
Akib.
Rakib Ansari.
Okay, so your name is Rakib.
Huh?
Rakib.
Yeah.
Okay, so Rakib, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, so Rakib, how was your day today?
It was fun.
It was fun?
Yeah.
So did your exam start?
Actually, I was kind of started and it's about to finish.
Okay, it's about to finish.
Yeah.
Okay, so Rakib, do you want to play a game?
Sure.
Okay, so which game?
Okay, I'll choose riddles.
Huh?
I'll choose riddles.
Oh, but riddles are finished.
I'll take tongue twisters. Tongue twisters.
Tongue twister. So I'll give a little hard one or easy one?
Easy one.
Easy one.
Okay.
Your easy one is she sells seashells.
He felt shell.
No, she sells shells.
He felt.
Huh?
She felt.
Yeah, say that 4 times.
He felt. She felt. She felt. She felt. She felt.
Okay, so that was very nice. You did it correctly. So thanks for calling, Rakib. It was nice calling you. So bye.
Thank you very much.
Okay, so that was Rakib who called us. Now let's move on back to our topic. So I was talking about clay soil. So this clay soil is like, it don't have so much like space in between them, so air can't like get in, and it can hold water. That's why potters make with clay soil, only with clay soil, pots and toys. And we mostly find clay soil only like in this one. Some places like park when we are making sand castles and all, clay soils we find, because clay soils are very sticky. So with that only we can make sand castles. So when you touch it, you'll feel it. So our third one is loam soil. Loam soil is the best soil ever. It is the mixture of both clay and sandy soil. So this loam soil can hold water and cannot hold water. It can hold air, it cannot hold air. So it's like both of them. So the clay soil and sandy soil, they both are mixed in this loam soil. So loam soil is like good for crops to grow. Farmers and all mostly only use loam soil. And you usually get loam soil, I think, in farms and places like that, because farmers use only loam soil to grow their crops. So now let's talk about all the 4 layers of soil. Okay, let's go. The 4 layers of soil is, first one is the top soil, which is also called the humus soil, and the second one is subsoil. The third one is parented material type of soil, and the fourth one is a bedrock. The first one, which we also called as the humus, is a soil, is the first soil which has dead plants and dead insects in them, and plants can grow in the topsoil, which is also humus. Now the subsoil is like with tiny rocks in them and with full of other types of soil. Now let's parentage material type of soil is like with soil with little big rocks in them. Then our last one, which means the fourth one, is the bedrock. Bedrock is full of rocks, full big rocks in them. So now I'm going to tell you one type of activity that if you want you can also do it in your house. Okay, so before that activity, let's go to a caller. Hello.
Hello?
What's your name?
Disha.
Huh?
Disha.
Disha.
Yeah.
Hi Disha, how are you?
Fine.
Which grade are you studying in?
Fourth.
Fourth grade. Okay, so Disha, how was your day?
Fine.
It was fine. So did your exam start?
Yeah.
Okay, so your exam started. Which exam was today for you?
SST.
SST. Okay. So Disha, do you want to play a game now?
Yes.
So which game do you want to play?
Options.
Huh?
Options.
Options. Okay, so what all games we have now is funny questions, GK questions, and then we have tongue twisters, make a sentence, and connection game. Tongue twisters.
Yeah.
Okay, in tongue twisters we don't have easy ones, we only have a little bit hard one.
Okay.
So your tongue twisters is Betty had a butter,
Betty had a butter,
but the butter was bitter.
but the butter was bitter.
She bought another butter
She bought another butter.
to make the bitter butter better.
She made a... I don't...
Huh?
This is a little hard.
Yeah, this is a little hard, right?
Yeah.
So do you want to choose another game?
Yeah.
So what game?
Questions.
Huh?
GK questions.
GK questions.
Okay.
Okay, so your GK question is which continent is also called as the white continent?
Antarctica?
Correct answer. Antarctica is the correct answer. So, did you know this question anywhere before?
Yes.
Okay, so you know it. Did it come into LWA?
What?
Did it come into LWA?
No.
Okay, so thanks for calling. It was nice calling you. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so that was like Jisha who called us. So now let's move on to my topic. So I was talking about an activity. So the activity which you can do now is it's like take some soil from your garden or somewhere else, then put it in a ball, then take from another place another different kind of soil, put it in another ball, then take another type of soil from like different place and put it in another ball. So you have three separate soils and three separate balls. So now touch that all kinds of soil, feel them, describe the color and all, and then try to guess which soil it is. So that's an activity you can do at your home also. You can do with your friends, you can do with your cousins, you can do with your family either. So now today our topic is ended. So I hope you all like that topic. So now I hope you all like all the callers who called us. And also now let's move to a small rhyme.